Alright guys, what's up? It is another video. I know y'all been waiting. Alright, let's go. Alright, so people always ask me about my eyebrows. They're like, oh yeah, your eyebrows look really good, XYZ. But like, I'm not a professional. Let's just be honest. I am not, like I just kind of know how to work with what's on my face. So hopefully you guys be able to work with what's on your face. So for me, like, my eyebrows are kind of thin, so I have to kind of fill it in. So basically, I just create the shape that I would like for my eyebrows. Like, okay, in a perfect world, if my eyebrows were just, wicked, lit, whatever, what would they look like? And, just kind of fill that in. And not from an unrealistic perspective, because of course, like, I have hair on my face, so it's kind of, I have to work with the alignment of what I already have, and I have another video coming for you guys. This was kind of in between that video, this updo hairstyle situation that I did. It's just mad long, okay, so give me some time to edit. All right, but yeah, back to these brows though. Yeah, I just like kind of work on what I have. Like, beauty for me, I believe, is to enhance what you have. It's not to create something absolutely different. So this is just enhancing. So you want to go like a little bit underneath where the hair actually starts to thin off. If the edges of your brows are super thin, and you just kind of clean it up. Use that line for the for what the shape is, to kind of go around. It's like you coloring outside the lines versus in. Just take your time. Just, I feel like when somebody else does my brows, they don't really know how to handle my skin, because my skin is very sensitive. I'm starting to learn that, because a lot of things I like to use, I can't even use because it affects my skin, but I do have some products that I use that are good, and are very natural, so I'll share those with you. If you guys want to know, just comment below, let me know if you want to know about that type of stuff. But yeah, we're just coloring outside the line, basically, and making sure that you go as close to it as possible. Like, there are times I've cut myself just a little bit, but just like how you would if you went to a hairdresser or somebody who did brows, like, they're gonna wipe it with alcohol when they're done. So you need to do the same thing when you're done too. You get me? But yeah, just stay in that line. Like, I don't know why I always make one of my eyebrows more gangster than the other one. But I don't know, I guess that's just how my eyebrows are. They're not perfect, but yeah. Hey, oh, hey, oh, oh, get it, oh. All right, so yeah, so we washed our face and all that, taking off the excess, everything, and yeah, it's a natural face, girl. Yes, no makeup. Yep, and those brows are hey. Yeah, man, them can go on, man. You can work with this. And then, you just do your regular schmegular, getting ready every day. So yeah, in progress brow situation. But with it like this, absolutely we could get it perfect. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.